guys, welcome back to episode 3 of our soul food series. And today we have a special guest. Drum roll, please. My dad.
What's up? Hey. What's going on? What's up, Zoe?
What's up? What
What
are we
you doing?
making today?
We are making wings. My favorite.
I've never made wings before, so we're just gonna go ahead and turn our attention right on over to my dad because he's kind of the wing master. So I'm just gonna be the little assistant
I
today.
try to wear it well, you know. Anyhow, today, Zoe, the method we're going to use to make wings. We're going to grill wings.
So that means we're going outside.
Yeah, we're going to be outside. And to my knowledge, you've never grilled wings.
No, I've never made wings.
Or, yeah, so it's going to be fun. The first thing that we're going to do is we have 2 bags
Of chicken.
chicken wings. So we're going to get a little bit of, we don't want it too cold. We don't want it, you want it warm. You feel me? You want to give your chicken a good rinse. Now we're going to put
it
all
in
the
the
chicken
bowl.
here because we're prepping for seasoning and all that kind of stuff. All right, now that we've got our chicken all nice and clean, looking good, scrumptious. No, we don't eat raw chicken.
Yeah, we don't.
Use your favorite or whatever seasoning you like. Now, I do encourage you to use seasoning. Okay, people? Use seasoning. We are using our favorite seasoning, and this is not sponsored at all. But if you want to sponsor us,
Yeah, go
you
right
can.
ahead.
But this is not sponsored. But our favorite seasoning is Kinder's. See that? We got the blend, which is great. We got red garlic pepper, which is a red jalapeno,
Red jalapeno garlic.
Sorry, wood fire garlic,
Oh boy.
great too. You can see we use that a lot.
Yeah.
So, but I like to do a base seasoning on all the chicken, so,
Okay, the blend.
and we do the blend.
Alright, okay.
So we're gonna put a generous amount. Somebody say generous.
There is. Is that good?
Now we mix it with our hands.
Okay.
See
Now
that?
we have to get the other side though.
So we're gonna mix it up, get some more in there. Generous. See that? Now we got a little base seasoning on all of our chicken. Okay? So now, take our chicken and move it from the bowl to the
Put it
pan.
all in the...
We got a lot of chicken, so
I'll do this straight.
we gotta figure it out. Well, we gotta remember, because we're gonna change the seasoning on some of them. Okay? So this tray is gonna be our red jalapeno garlic. Got it? This is the trick. This is what I like to do. This is probably, you guys don't have to do this, but this is how my brain works. Okay? So I will take one. I try to fit as many as I can. And now look at that. I go, bam.
Right against the side.
Right against the side. Okay, so now that we've got our chicken all laid out, we're gonna take its seasoning. We're gonna be generous, but we're gonna spread it evenly. Don't be scared, be generous. Okay, we're gonna flip it now. Every single one of them. Flip them. Flip them.
Heard
Flip.
you.
We gotta flip, flip, flip. Flip that chicken. Flip, 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 flip that chicken. Flip, flip. Again, we're seasoning the other side. All right, Zoe. So we got one more seasoning that we're gonna use for this one. That's the wood-fired garlic. All right, Zoe, now we are out here with the grill. So Zoe, two things. We're cooking with propane.
Okay.
Tell you a little bit of thing about propane. Propane grill, after you get done, you turn the propane off.
Okay.
Okay? Just say, turn it off. I've already turned this one on, but the knob, you just turn it to you.
Which one is the propane knob?
That is over here. Just like the stove, our gas stove. I have an igniter that ignites. And sometimes it ignites, sometimes it doesn't. But that time it did. So we're gonna let that be on high for a minute. We're gonna do this one. This one always gives me a little trouble. No, we're gonna keep them on high for a little bit.
So it's supposed to get to right in the middle.
We want to be between 400 and 500. All right, Joey, where's our temperature?
At 500.
Well, we're above. So what we've done is we've already turned the heat down tremendously because we don't want the chicken to burn. Look at that smoke coming off that thing.
Ooh, it's hot.
I was doing this with my hand. I don't recommend it. It's warm.
Hot.
This side, see this the meaty side?
Yeah.
It's got more skin. I'll put the skin down.
They're together.
Right. All right. So we got all chicken on. We want to keep an eye on it. The ones we put on first already have a little crisp on them, so you want to
Flip them over.
flip them over already.
Cool.
You don't want to flip them too early. You just want to make sure they're not, you know, burning. But you need that gold, that golden brown crisp. Chicken is ready. We are good to go. We could eat it like this if we want to, but you can mix it up and sauce them up a little bit. So this is garlic parmesan. But again, you just pour it in your bowls. You dip the chicken that you want in it, and bam. So Zoe, I hope you enjoyed making some chicken wings. You want to try one?
Sure. Which one is the wood-fired?
This is over here.
Okay. That seasoning.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go make some wings, guys. What's the next video? I heard you were making banana pudding.
Stay tuned for the next episode of the Soul Food series because we're making banana pudding from scratch.
Ooh.
And that is when we're gonna try all of our different.
Should've chilled out last fall.
And that is when we're gonna try all of our different foods and just have a fun feast.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
And also, if this video gets 10,000 views, I will have my dad on again.
Sorry, I'm still stuck in banana pudding.
Yes. But
10,000 views, and
Dad,
I'll be back.
come back.
And we'll make some Rice Krispie treats or something. I got a special recipe for Rice Krispie treats.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my dad's channel. What's your channel called?
At Frederick Giles.
Frederick Giles. Check out his channel. See you later, guys.